This is the Chong, the dog, thought of the day. We are now, me and Chong, visiting this beautiful lake. Well, pond or extension lake. I don't know what it is. But it's very nice. And he's having a good time today. And I thought you guys might want to see this. Because sometimes we forget in nature how good things could be. Especially when we're on our way home and stuff and forget about these things. This, folks, is not a pond, but it's been raining a lot here. And it looks like one. But we're just in the park. That's it. Crazy things that happen in nature. That's why it's always important to blog nature. You never know just what's going to happen when nature happens. And here's Chong staring because we just seen another dog.